guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have this question before us. The roots of a quadratic equation are 2 and minus 3. Find the equation. So let's see how we determine the equation of this quadratic problem. Okay. Now what we're going to do is first of all, let's know that the general form of the quadratic equation is written as ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. The a and b and c are constants. Now, this general form will have the roots. We have the roots as alpha and beta. Okay, alpha and beta. And then, of course, from this general form, okay, the roots of the quadratic equation will be alpha and beta. Now, where alpha is the first root and beta is the second root. So, in this question, we can assume, or we can take it that alpha is 2 and beta is minus 3. So, how do we solve this kind of problem? There are two methods I'm going to use. We have method 1. So for method 1, I'm going to use this formula, x squared minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equal to 0. So what this equation translates into is x squared minus sum of roots multiplied by x plus product of roots equal to 0. So we have the two key parts will be the sum of the roots and then the product of the roots. So we have our roots as alpha is 2 and beta is minus 3. Okay, so from here now, first we put down x squared minus alpha is 2. Then of course beta is minus 3. Of course, and you know that when positive combines with negative, that will give us negative. Then of course we have our x, and then we have plus alpha is 2 multiplied by beta minus 3 equal to 0. So here again we see okay, before we get to that, so we have x squared minus 1x. Then of course here, plus and minus will simply give us minus. Then 2 multiplied by 3 will give us 6 equal to 0. So we have x squared minus and minus will give us positive x. Of course, there's no need writing the 1. Okay, since the coefficient is 1, so I can just simply put down my x, then minus 6 equal to 0. So that is one method. So method 2 is also the use of a formula which is written as x minus alpha, okay, x minus beta equal to 0. So that is the product of these two factors. Okay, of course we know that alpha is 2, so we have x minus 2 brackets open. Then of course this minus combines with this minus to give us positive equal to 0. So, or the other way we can look at it is, since we have two brackets, we have minus in them. So what that means is that if alpha is positive, and then of course you know positive combined with negative will give us negative, and then beta is minus or negative, so negative combined with negative will give us positive. So now we just simply expand the bracket. So we have x times, so to expand the bracket, use what we have in the first bracket to multiply the element in the second bracket. So we have x plus 3, then of course you have minus 2 multiplied by x plus 3 equal to 0. So this is x squared plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. And then of course we have x squared, so 3x minus 2x will give us plus x, then of course minus 6 equal to 0. So guys, there you have it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.